In this program, we are going to understand how to use the if-else statement, and the program is representing the credit card usage. So it's basically like all the credit cards that we use, they have a limit. So let's say the limit here that we are assuming is like 1000 rupees. So we are asking the user that how much amount is to be paid or extracted from the using the credit card. So the we are using the input function to read a value from the user. Whatever the number will be given, that will be in the string form, that has to be done with the typecasting. So we are using this int function to convert that value into integer, and we are storing that value in this variable amount, like which is to be paid, for example. And we are checking that if the value entered by the user is less than 1000 rupees, like which we are assuming as the limit of the credit card in this particular program. So if the amount is less than 1000 rupees, then you can make the payment. If the amount is greater than 1000, so we are displaying a message that the amount exceeds your credit limit. So this is basically how you use if statement here in Python. Now if we tend to run the program here in Python, click on the run module, and let's say the enter the amount. So let's say one time we gave 800 rupees, and so it says that the charge is accepted. Next time we gave a value more than the credit limit, so let's say 1200, so it says that the amount exceeds your credit limit. So this is basically how you are using the if statement in this particular program. There is another part related to the if statement, which is the else part. Like if the condition is true, so it is doing this, it is printing this message, it is doing some work. What if this condition is false, then what it will do? So that will be dealt with the else part, and which we will be covering in the next video.